Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have AMAZFIT Bip Max, and today I'm going to show you how to factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. And the factory reset could be useful in cases like if you want to give the watch to somebody, sell it to somebody, you want to connect it to another device, and in the last resort way you can always try to fix something on your watch if you factory reset it to the factory default settings. I say the last resort because it will remove all of your data and settings from your watch, so you will lose some stuff when you factory reset the device. Okay, and of course I'm going to show you how to do it, so let's get started. And to factory reset our watch, we need to wake up the screen, and you can do it by pressing any of the buttons. Then swipe left on the screen to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu, look for the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it. Where is the settings icon hiding? Somewhere here. And here we have it. Okay. Let's tap on the settings icon. In settings, we need to find the option called the system and select it. And here we have the option factory reset at the bottom of the menu. As you can see, we have a warning that we will be erasing data and settings. You can retain some data like local music, maps, App Store apps and stuff like that by checking the boxes. So you don't need to lose all of the data, but most of it. Okay, and then you can tap on confirm to confirm and start the resetting process. And after it's done, you will see the list of languages on the screen. Like this. And that's how you factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. If you found this video any helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.